How to fix truncated PowerShell output, even when I've specified width 300. I'm trying to get a list of all the directories and files on an external hard drive, with one fully qualified directory/file path per line. I'm using PowerShell on Windows 10 to achieve this. This is the PowerShell command I'm using. However, some paths are being truncated in my output. In fact, over 10,000 lines are truncated. Here is an example of one line in my listing.txt PowerShell output file. When I browse to this directory in File Explorer, e://techstuff/2006 to 2007 companilt/fee01 engineering users user 1/reference/lsid and amp, language group by language. The file there is called configuring and using international features of Windows 2000, list of locale IDs and language groups.url. The path of this file is 228 characters long if I haven't miscounted, which should be within acceptable limits. What am I doing wrong that is truncating the paths in my PowerShell output?
Pipe output to formatable commandlet, for example as follows. Or note that width parameter of outfile specifies the number of characters in each line of output. Any additional characters are truncated, not wrapped. However, width 300 should suffice in this case.
First, you need to make sure select object is not truncated by using expand property for a single property. Or by pipe to format table when there are more properties. Format table will select values to display if there is not space enough in console, even with parameters autosize and wrap. So you will need to pipe to outstring with width parameter to see it all in console or add width to outfile to see it all in output file. And or when values are in a collection/array, the output is controlled by $format enumeration limit. Setting it to -1 means unlimited. I know this is an old post, but I found it before the answer I was looking for. So thought I would share my findings.
For me it works best with piping to export CSV. This URL. Simply. Without double quotes.
Following helped me.
Perfect.